was fun. Let's start. This is gonna be hard, guys. Because I learned so much today. Guys. Stupid things. Oh my. You can do this. Every time I fall there. With a high height, guys. With a high height. I will try going live today. Because I haven't go live yet. Gonna be my first time being live. It's gonna be my first time being live, guys. Thank you guys for watching. It's actually, if I fall, the video ends. But I fell. So many times now, guys. I fell for so many times.